Complete Beginner's Guide to Driving. Many drivers get their license, but never drive. First time on the road can be nerve-wracking. This guide teaches you how to drive from scratch. New drivers, save this for practice. Master it, and you'll drive confidently. Step 1. Adjust your seat before driving. Height and posture vary for everyone. Adjust seat height so your head is about a fist's distance from the roof. Next, adjust seat forward or backward. Fully press the brake, then switch to the accelerator. Ensure your knees don't hit the steering wheel during this. Finally, adjust the seat backrest. With the backrest set, your wrists should naturally rest on the steering wheel. After adjusting the seat, move to Step 2. Familiarize yourself with common interior controls. You won't have time to look while driving. For example, know how to operate the light stalk at night, in rain or fog, when visibility is low, how to turn on fog lights, how to use wipers in the rain, or how to defog the windshield. You must know these. If the light stalk has an auto setting, this is automatic lighting, handling lights for you. Most of the time, it's sufficient for daily use. For high beams and special situations, push the stalk forward. Push back to reset. Be careful when turning on fog lights. With headlights on, twist the fog light switch to turn on, twist again to turn off. The triangular button is the hazard warning light. Use it for vehicle malfunctions or emergency roadside stops. Push the wiper stalk down once for intermittent wipe. Push further down for faster speeds. If the windshield is dirty, use the washer fluid. Pull the stalk back to spray and clean the windshield. In winter, glass fogs easily. Know the AC defog function. The center console has a one-touch defog button for quick clearing. Familiarize yourself with the light stalk, wiper stalk, and basic AC operations. Step 3. Adjust rearview mirrors. Start with the left mirror. Find the horizon in the mirror. Adjust it to the middle, so sky and ground are 50/50ths. Adjust the car body to occupy a quarter of the mirror. Left mirror is set. Right mirror adjustment. Again, find the horizon. Adjust sky to a third. Ground to 2/3. Car body still a quarter. The right mirror is further, with the larger blind spot, hence the 2/3 ground view. Mirrors adjusted, move to Step 4. Start the vehicle and practice moving off. Get in and fasten your seatbelt. Automatic cars have no clutch. Rest your left foot, right foot on the brake. Press the start button to start the car. Shift from P to D. Turn on the left turn signal. Check the left mirror. Confirm, clear, release parking brake, and move off. New drivers, be gentle with the accelerator. Find a low traffic road to practice brake and accelerator control. Also practice left turns, right turns, and U-turns. Before turning, ease off the accelerator to slow down. Once past the crosswalk, slowly turn the wheel about 90 degrees, adjusting further based on the turn sharpness. Complete the turn into the leftmost lane. Next, a right turn. Again, reduce speed before turning. As the car nose reaches the crosswalk, slowly turn the wheel half a turn right. Adjust steering as needed for the curve. Enter the rightmost lane, straighten the wheel. Right turn complete. For U-turns, new drivers should go slowly. Reduce speed before entering the intersection. For U-turns, usually turn the wheel fully, adjusting as needed for the curve. After a U-turn, ensure you don't impede regular traffic. For U-turns or turns, always move your right foot to the brake pedal off the accelerator as a ready brake habit. Final step, practice curbside parking. Before parking, activate your right turn signal. Check the right mirror. Confirm, clear, then gently steer right to pull over. Slowly reduce speed. When you feel aligned with the road, center, check the right mirror. Once the car body is parallel to the curb, you can stop.